Hello YouTube and welcome to Hidden Hacks. Today we're going to unbox and install an extra tall single monitor mount from VIVO, the STAND-V001T. We will also talk about its specs and features. I actually bought this one on Newegg since the single monitor mounts that are available in my country are just up to 17 inches of maximum height. Let's go! So here is the pretty worn out box. Thanks FedEx. Not even mad though, this rugged mount was constructed with high-grade steel and built to resist scratches. Inside the box is the instruction manual, which I ended up not using at all since it's so easy to set up. Let's see what's inside this one. This is the doodad to connect the optional center pole to increase the height for up to 31 inches in length. These are the included screws, washers, and Allen keys with varying sizes for the 75 or 100mm VESA mount compatible monitors. This is the grommet base that can be installed to a desk that has a maximum thickness of 3.5 inches. The stuff for the cable management. Same as the grommet base, the C-clamp can also be installed to a desk that has a maximum thickness of 3.5 inches. This is the monitor arm. It has a 45-degree tilting angle, 360-degree swivel, and 360 degrees rotation to create the best possible viewing angle. It also has some things for the cable management pre-installed. And these two are the center poles. After unboxing, it's time to install it on our desk. First, we have to install the C-clamp or grommet base. As you can see here, I have already clamped it on my desk. Now, these two are the center poles which we can connect to each other by using the doodad earlier. I forgot to mention that there are also some hex screws included to make sure that the two poles won't disconnect when you adjust the position of your monitor, and another hex screw to secure the center pole to the base. After installing the screws and the doodad, let's make sure that it's really tight. Let's give the C-clamp some hard-ish wiggle to make sure it won't slip. When they both seem to be pretty tight, time to connect them together. Just like that, then give it another wiggle. Now let's connect the cable management things. Alright, now that it's done, time to get our monitor. But let's unbox it first. Okay, here it is. Not quite what you were expecting, huh? Just kidding, this is my old monitor. The box is from my Asus VZ239HR. Click here to check it out. Now, we need to take this out. There you go. On to the next step, cleaning the screen. After that, let's connect the monitor arm. Get the included screws and washers, then install them. Then, get the cables needed for the video output and power. I will use an HDMI to DVI adapter since my DVI cable is too old for my taste. Connect the monitor arm to the center pole, adjust it to your preferred height, tighten it, and there you go. Here are the swivel and tilt modes. It obviously did not go full 360 because the wires are already on the cable management things and I'm just too lazy to take them out. You just have to trust me on this. After all that, here it is with all my monitors connected and adjusted to my liking. I might replace the third monitor with another AOC one in the future though. So, yeah. Thanks for watching and see you again next week.